Hello everyone, hope you all are good, doing well. Welcome to our channel Maple Garments and Tailors. So today I'm here with some new tips and tricks of sewing. So let's start the video. Here I have a half inches elastic and I will show you how to turn this half inches into 1 inch elastic. So here I will use a zigzag stitch. So I will set the machine on a zigzag stitch like this, and now I will show you how we will sew them together, and then I will show you how to use this elastic in a trouser. So let's start it. Set your machine on a zigzag or stretch stitch and then sew the elastic from the center. Put them together with the help of your fingers and sew them together carefully. I will teach you how to sew this elastic with a trouser, waist belt. So watch the full video, and if you like it, please subscribe our channel for more tips and tricks. So here you can see I sew it from the center with a zigzag stitch. Now you can see this is turned into 1 inch white elastic. Now put both of the edges together and sew them twice or thrice like this. Now I will attach this elastic with the trouser. So take the trouser, now I will use a simple running stitch to attach the elastic with the trouser. Make sure the seam lines are okay and ready to sew. So put the elastic here. Now fold it and sew it from the corner. So this is done. Now I will sew the elastic from the upside. To give it a finishing and the finished look. I will sew it from the center. So the elastic will not turn inside. Sew the elastic with a simple running stitch, which we use to sew dresses. So you can see this is ready. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more tips and tricks. Take care. Bye bye.